Hi, you want to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? Then open Settings, and as a first step, don't forget to sign out of your Samsung account here. And after that, scroll till the end to see the About Phone tab. And in this section, looking for something else, you will need to select the Reset option. So as you can see, we have many options for the reset process, but we are interested in the factory data reset, so let's select this one. Here you can see which type of data will be erased, and if you scroll till the end you will see this blue reset button. We just need to tap it, and here confirm that we are deleting everything on this phone. So let's do it now. And then the phone will turn off, and within a couple of seconds it will turn on again and will be brought back to the default settings. And that's it for today. I hope this video was really helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.